He projects towards my stomach. And as his objective is to touch my belly, my objective is to prevent him from doing that and just roll underneath. So now it's incorporating running energy through the arms. With the last one, all the energy is going down, and you're just listening with the hands to run the energy. Now you've got to have a bridge, a strong bridge, and feel energy and run energy all at the same time. So you're doing two things. You're feeling and running the power through tension. And if your partner wants to give you more, there's going to be more reaction. If you add to it and go, oh, I'm going to shove them across the room, you can do it cleanly and internally. But for this, you want him to do the work. And all you're doing is emptying and extending the mind and becoming more still, more relaxed, and more conductive energetically. Later, you can pump the gin. If you're in a self-defense situation, you'll more than likely intend the energy to do what you want it to do. Here, you're just relaxing outwards and training the fascia. So it's a very pure fascia training exercise. The more he gives, the more he's going to bounce. And the more opportunity you have is just to empty everything out, soften down, and stretch outwards with your mind and through the fascia. And don't let your shoulders burn. It's not about, big shoulders. You want to be softening down all the time and relaxing outwards. Okay, 10 minutes of this, and then we'll have some lunch.